Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making pineapple and honeydew melon juice. So here are our ingredients. We've got our pineapple, our melon, we're using limes, some ginger powder, date syrup, and then we're also going to be using agave syrup. Ginger powder, feel free to use as little or as much as you would like. So here I am just cutting my melon, and I'm going to peel my melon and then remove the seeds, and then I'm going to cut them up into cubes ready for blending. Isn't that pretty? It's a shame it's going to waste. Here I'm just peeling and making sure my pineapple is very clean and the eyes of the pineapple are mostly removed. So I'm just going to slice it, same as the melon, into pieces for blending. Here's my lime. I'm just grating the zest of the lime. I'm using half of the skin of the lime, and then I'm going to be squeezing in some of the juice of the lime. Here is the melon blended. And now I'm just going to sieve this. I am using a fine sieve. You can also use a cheesecloth or basically any sieving equipment that is as fine as possible. You can also use a juicer, which may be so much easier for you, but I like this method. It's another option for those who don't have a juicer. I have squeezed every drop of juice out of that. So here's the amount of juice for my melon. Isn't that amazing? You can see how hydrating this will be. So just adding in the ginger to the pineapple. Add in some water. With the ginger, feel free to use as little or as much as you like. It really depends on your taste. So we're just going to repeat the process again, just going to sieve this until all of that juice comes out. Guys, I am so squeezing the life out of this pineapple juice. Every little drop, trying as much as possible to get as much out of this. So here is the pineapple, and it's now ready. Ready to mix this with the melon juice. Guys, here is the fiber from the pineapple. You can see how much fiber there is in a whole pineapple, and this shows you how hydrating fruits are, and also shows you how much fiber you're getting, which is really great for your digestive system. Here I'm just adding in some agave syrup, which is very fruity in taste, and then I'm going to be adding in some date syrup. I like the way these two combine together. It makes the drink very light and very refreshing. So I'm just going to mix this in thoroughly. We're just adding in our melon juice, and we're just going to mix everything thoroughly. You can see how easy it is to make your own homemade juice. It is very light and it is very refreshing. It's a great way to hydrate and have lots of vitamins, minerals added into your diet. It's great for summertime, evening meals, any sort of time of the day really. So guys, try this out and let me know how it goes. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button so you can know when I post new videos, and just leave a comment and let me know what you think. Thank you again. Bye.